What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are doing small block board things today, and yeah, super excited to do this project 4 to 8. Coming along good. Let's roll. Alright guys, while we're getting everything else kind of straightened around, I'm going to go ahead and get the brand new Ford Racing lifters soaking. I guess you guys thought we was going to cheap out on this or something. I don't know. Had a lot of people go, oh, I didn't think you was going to do it. Now you know. This thing is going to run like a beast, y'all, I'm telling you. Love them. Alright. Let these soak as long as we can here. Alright. Alright, boys, so here we go. Current situation, we're getting the brand new freeze plugs put in the block. Which, always a good thing, you know, might as well. I like that tool too. That's pretty freaking awesome.
We'll find out, huh?
Yeah, right. Going in. Very nice. Ah, well, you can hardly beat that. So yeah, guys, that is current situation. Putting brand new freeze plugs in it, and we got the brand new oil pump right here. Gorgeous one-piece gasket, guys. Hopefully, theoretically, this thing should never leak a drop, but you know, it is a small block Ford. We'll have to see about that. Got the lifters, obviously, rocking and rolling, and about time to put this thing together. Got a whole box of parts we need to get on here, and basically, the long block is done. We've got all the parts right here. Just got to get them on here. Timing chain, cam, timing cover, front main seal, timing pointer, all of that is on. I'm going to throw the oil pump on, pan, and yeah. New lifters, push rods, roller rockers. She's good to go. Alright guys, I'll turn the motor back over. There she goes. Got freeze plugs in her, boys. Brand new freeze plugs both sides. Now just got the stock flow oil pump. This bad boy in there, and pretty much seal up the bottom end. This freaking engine's clean.
Not bad.
Yeah, this has to have been from the SSP. You can tell it was maintained really well. I mean, maintained really well.
Come out of the SSP with it's already got the manual camshaft in the engine.
Yeah, that's right. It's an interceptor motor too, guys. It's got the manual camshaft in it. No, I'm just kidding. We're just long story, inside joke. to do something here. Oil pump and pickup is in. Putting the freshly painted pan. We had to hunt down the rails. We couldn't find the rails, but we got the rails and nut bolts and all that. Yes, sir. And of course, all new freeze plugs.
Brass.
Yes, brass for the win. Yeah, she's definitely starting to look like something. That's right. That's right. Well, see, I don't have one because I didn't need one no more. I need FL500s now.
That's right.
And whatever I put something, was that 2051 on the truck?
Whatever it is right behind you.
Yep, 2051.
I even got a new one of them oil pressure things to go inside there.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. Noticed it when I was over there.
All the old small block stuff going to a good home.
I said, hell, I wish I'd known they had the damn time over there.
Yeah. I think we got a little small block Ford about to be ready to rock here. Even got. So you guys can't make fun of the STP oil filter again. Over through a FL1A on there. But we got the dog bones and the spider and the new lifters and oil pan and pump. So really, I mean, put the balancer on. We got all the parts, guys. We're gonna call it for the day here, but I know it looks fast in editing, but this takes a while, especially when you're trying to do it right. But yeah, dude, looks like a small block Ford, doesn't it? Yeah, especially compared to the Coyote. It just, you know, it looks so much smaller. Yeah, this looks great. All right, guys, like I said, we're gonna wrap it up for the day, but again, the rest of the parts are literally right here to put the engine together. Super excited, boys, to get Project 4-8's engine rocking and rolling. This thing's gonna run good, guys, I'm telling you. We do gotta port the upper intake. We still gotta port the upper intake, and pretty much that's it. All right, guys, so that is pretty much what I got for you today. Again, it never ends out here. There's so much going on. This one's near completion. You saw that video. This car is near completion. This one's just getting started. We should have a turbo kit for Boomer's car here very soon. And we're about to get George's car moved over here because we're about to get hard and heavy on the Leadfoot Gray Fox body. I know everybody's been wanting to see more of the Leadfoot Gray Fox body, and I promise there's a lot coming. You know, this thing's going to be a beast just like the rest of them. So I'm excited to do some stuff with that. We've got some parts over there for my car that we need to get going on, and yeah, what else? I don't know. A lot. Oh yeah, we should have parts coming for the Reef Blue car as well. So yeah, never ends, boys. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, I appreciate everybody that supports the channel, that watches the videos, all the positive feedback. And, you know, you guys are freaking, you know, you're great. And your feedback and all of that means a lot to me. I appreciate all of it. And it's just, man, I love doing this. And I hope you guys enjoy this too. I try to keep as much, try to keep variety, guys. You know, it's like, sometimes we're slanted more towards Coyotes, you know, so I'm trying to make sure we're doing more of the push rod stuff too. the GT LXs, even the trucks. You know, I think the trucks and like doing the new edge stuff keeps it fresh. I mean, Fox bodies are cool, but you know, too much of a good thing is eh. So again, I appreciate you guys. Always loving the feedback. You know, keep those comments coming. Huge shout out to all the sponsors, guys, that help us do what we do as well. This is a major effort, you know, that Dover and I do here, and it's a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun. So, and again, can't thank you guys enough for watching. So please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. You know we'll be back. You know we'll be back because we gotta do work. Later, guys.